it's your girl Shea with a quick review. Today we've got a package in the mail. Time to open it and see what's inside. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shea. Today we're going to be talking about the Styler Sativa oil line. This is their leave-in conditioner. Their products do contain CBD. This one has a great consistency, not too thick, not too thin. It does have other properties in it, such as vitamin A, D, and E, natural oils, and a blend of the Cannabis Sativa. So as I stated, the consistency, as you can see here, very light, not heavy, feels great and goes on soft to the hair. It does have a great smell to it. Yes. No worries. You won't go out of the house smelling like marijuana using this leave-in conditioner. Next up, I'm going to be talking about the Style Cannabis Sativa oil, the gel. I'll usually put that on my hair after, right before I'm going to do my cornrows when doing a crochet style, as you'll see in another video. This is the Style gel. It has black castor oil in it. Also contains CBD. I got both of these products on Amazon. This gel went for about $10 and the leave-in conditioner was about $23. So as you can see, if you've used I believe it's a flaxseed oil, it kind of resembles that, but with a little bit of a stronger smell than the leave-in conditioner. But both products are great. I recommend them. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to come on and show you what I kind of do when I prep my hair before I'm going to do a crochet style. Yeah, so both of these products I would recommend. The leave-in conditioner was about $23 on Amazon, and the Styler gel with the black castor oil was $9.99, also on Amazon. So again, thanks for watching my video. It's your girl Shea. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share my videos with the world. My Instagram page is Cinnamon Shea. Give me a follow there. Peace, love, and light.